Trying to lose weight but feel overwhelmed by complicated workouts and strict routines? You don't need a gym or fancy equipment to see real results. In this video, we'll walk you through a beginner-friendly home workout powered by AI, designed to help you burn fat, stay motivated, and build a healthier body from the comfort of your home. Stick around until the end for a smart tip that can boost your progress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, effective workouts that actually work. Ready to start your transformation? Let's get into it. Warm up 2 minutes. Begin by marching in place for 30 seconds to warm up your body and get your blood flowing. Then, rotate your shoulders forward 10 times in a smooth, controlled motion, followed by 10 backward rotations to loosen the shoulder joints. Next, extend your arms to the sides and complete 10 arm circles in a forward direction. Then, 10 in reverse to engage your upper body muscles. Finally, finish with light leg stretches. Focus on hamstrings, quads, and calves to gently stretch the lower body and improve flexibility. This quick routine prepares your muscles and joints for physical activity or a busy day ahead. Workout circuit. This workout includes 7 exercises, each for 40 seconds with 20 seconds of rest in between. Completing all 7 exercises is 1 round, and we'll repeat the circuit 3 times for a full body workout that boosts endurance, strength, and coordination. Stay hydrated, pace yourself, and modify moves if needed to suit your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, the goal is to challenge yourself while maintaining good form. By the end, you'll have targeted multiple muscle groups and improve your overall fitness. Let's stay focused and finish strong. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms relaxed at your sides. In one smooth motion, jump to spread your feet wider than shoulder width apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Then, quickly jump back to the starting position with your feet together and arms at your sides. Focus on maintaining a steady pace that challenges your endurance, but still allows you to keep proper form. It's essential to engage your core and land softly to avoid unnecessary impact on your joints. If you're looking for a lower impact option, modify the move by stepping out 1 foot at a time instead of jumping, while still raising your arms overhead. This keeps the movement controlled and less intense on the knees, making it more accessible for all fitness levels. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips back and down like you're sitting in a chair. Keep chest up and knees tracking over toes. Push through heels to return to standing. For beginners, use a chair behind you for depth guidance. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows, keeping your core engaged and back flat. Once you reach the bottom, push through your palms to return to the starting position. To modify, drop to your knees while keeping your hips aligned, or perform the push-up against a wall for less intensity. Focus on controlled movement and steady breathing throughout. This exercise strengthens your chest, arms, and core effectively. Reverse lunges. Stand upright with your feet hip width apart and your core engaged. Step one leg back into a lunge, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Ensure your front knee is aligned over your ankle and doesn't go past your toes. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Push through the heel of your front foot to rise back up to the starting position. Alternate legs with each rep, moving at a steady, controlled pace for the full 40 seconds. This exercise targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also improving balance and coordination. Mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, simulating a running motion. Keep your hips level and your core engaged throughout the movement. Make sure to maintain a steady breathing pattern and avoid letting your lower back sag. Start slowly to get the form right, then gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable. This exercise targets your core, shoulders, and legs while improving cardiovascular endurance. Plank hold. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your forearms flat on the floor. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core to prevent sagging in the lower back. Keep your hips level and avoid letting them rise or drop. Focus on steady, controlled breathing while maintaining a tight core. Hold the position for the allotted time, prioritizing proper form over duration. If needed, drop to your knees to reduce the intensity while still engaging your core. This exercise strengthens the core, shoulders, and glutes. High knees. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Run in place, driving knees up toward chest. Pump arms naturally. Go at your own pace and focus on height rather than speed. Modify by marching if jumping is too intense. Between rounds. Take a 60-second recovery period between rounds. Hydrate and catch your breath, but stay moving with light marching in place. Final round push. For the last round, really challenge yourself. Push a little harder, jump a little higher, squat a little deeper. Your body is warmed up and ready for this final effort. Cool down. Great work completing all 3 rounds. Let's cool down with some deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 6. Now, let's stretch those worked muscles. Stretch your quadriceps by holding one foot behind you. Reach overhead for a side stretch. Forward fold to release your hamstrings. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Weight loss tips. Remember, consistency is key for weight loss. Do this workout 3 to 4 times weekly, combining it with nutritious eating habits. Our AI analysis shows these movements burn approximately 300 to 400 calories per session when done with intensity. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Aim to progressively challenge yourself by reducing rest times or adding an extra round as you get stronger. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.